This is what everything comes in a box. First, well, of course, a drone, then hard plastic cover to protect the drone's camera and gimbal. This plastic strap to hold drone's propeller when you store it. This is the addition in Mini 2. It does not come with Mini 1. Then this huge controller, 2 tiny joysticks, 3 different types of cables to connect your phone to controller, 3 batteries like this, 1, 2 and 3, a battery charger. All 3 batteries can be charged simultaneously. Charging cable for battery charger, or you can use this to charge controller as well. Charging brick because DJI is not Apple. 1 screwdriver, 2 extra joysticks, 6 extra pairs of propellers, and also this have tiny screws in them. And last but not the least, this bag to store everything.